Well, hello there. I'm Kule from Kate, and I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design. Hope the new year is going well for you. Well, I'm going to start off this year with a whole bunch of tutorials as I try to build the biggest database for AutoCAD tutorials in YouTube. But anyways, as you clicked on this video, I'm sure you're trying to figure out what match properties is if you've actually used it before. So I'm just going to quickly go over it on a basic in a basic way, and then I'm going to go over it and how it works in a floor plan. So right now, if you're looking at the screen, I have 4 different lines. I have this cyan blue line. It's just a basic line. The layer is elevation. It's cyan color, nothing special. Then there's this yellow line. It's the elevation layer. It's yellow, but you can see it's thick, and that's because it's a little bit thicker. I made the property of it a little bit thicker. Then we go to the red one. When I click on it, the layer is called grain. It is red. It is much thicker than the other two, and the properties are the line type is divide. Then the last one, the fattest one, is magenta. Same as before. If I wanted to, let me make this hidden line, so you see the difference. So let's say I'm working on a drawing and I want this line. Let's say I'm working on a whole bunch of things and I want this line to be like any of these lines, right? The quickest way, the one way to do it is to go here, is to change the color to yellow, p-edit, all that stuff. But if I just wanted it to quickly be one of these, all I'll do is just type match properties, because that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to match properties. So what I will type is MA. I'll press enter. So let's say I wanted this line to resemble this. I'll just click on it first. You click on the one you want to you click on the one you want to copy first, and then you click on the one that will take the personality of the other stick. So you see, it's exactly the same. Let's say it also works with layers. So this layer right here is called grain. This layer right now is called elevation. So if I want this to look like this, I'll just MA, press that first, and there we go. So see, it's grain, it's on that, it's all changed. So basically that's how match properties works. How this works in a floor plan is different, right? So it's almost like layers. So let's say this right now is 0. This is also 0. Let's say I change this. Let's see. So let's say this custom sectional was red. Oh wait, let me explode this first. Explode. So right now I've exploded it. Oh, by the way, if you don't explode it, it won't really copy. So you see how this is red right now. So if I match properties MA, I click on this first and I click on this, it all turns. But that is because I exploded it. These are not exploded. So if I go match properties, I click there and click there. Even though it's matched, because it's a block, it wouldn't work. When I explode it, now I can match properties and go like that. Same goes for everything else. If I wanted this and I exploded this and I wanted this to match, it would match it. So this really works when you when you become more advanced with your plans. Let's say you want this to print out differently. Instead of going here and I'm modifying this in the properties box like here, instead of doing all that, you just match properties and all furniture will be the same. So anyways, that's match properties. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact or write something below. As you always, I'll be going over the basics of AutoCAD tutorials. Anyways, that's it for today. I'm Kule from Kate, and I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design, and this has been match properties. Thank you.